No, no.
The same person that was in that one. And we went to their apartment does a lot. It's like the stereo's right in the living room. I understand that, but because we know that they're thin, after they
Stressing that TV a misdemeanor fine. Shut down. They're gonna get what?
They're gonna give them a misdemeanor fine if they don't shut it down. So they're gonna have to go to court.
What happened here?
Oh, you're gonna sit out?
What's up, buddy?
Hey, bro.
Can I see the archive?
Archive of what? Oh,
I just want to see what happened.
oh yeah, it's live. I guess it's 2 to half.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I think they're getting a fine.
Oh, no. Really?
Uh-oh.
What's
But that's
Let's take a look at the shower. Looks like Officer Jay Gumno believes that this bike was parked illegally.
What? They wanted to find a reason. It's parked here every day. Ever since they moved in this building, this bike has been here.
Tonight, this is prohibited
You're
parking.
just trying to find a reason to...
That's awful. Is there anything else here?
He didn't write anything about the party, but he just, okay, we're going to write him up
Really?
a ticket for the...
A $60 ticket?
This is their building. He
Hope it's not illegal to read
he
other
could
people's
fight.
tickets.
He could fight that.
Can he?
I mean, it's his building. Why would they come up here
Oh, you know
now
what?
and give him a ticket?
It's on the sidewalk.
It's on the
they
side.
do own that property, right?
It's their property.
They
It's
allow
on the
parking
sidewalk. You know.
These are all rules I'm not familiar with. Well, you know what? I'm gonna go social justice.
No. Just let him see it himself. Have him come out. Put it back. Have him come out.
It's easier to write a parking ticket for a motorcycle.
Instead of writing the party up, he decided to write a parking
They asked me
ticket.
to hand deliver.